Hey friends, I'm on my way to meet up with the one and only Bill Goudy. Man, oh man, am I excited. This is going to be awesome.
She's Lola. She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
No idea how Bill found this little campground that he's directed me to. Can't wait to see it. This is gorgeous. I am somewhere in Ohio. Sugarcreek, Ohio, I believe is the destination. This is just unlike anything I've ever seen. This is absolutely gorgeous. Yep, this has got to be it. I see the Bill Goudy back there. This is $20 a night, and there's electricity you can plug into, and he said he was the only one here, and he wasn't kidding. This is great. Alright, I don't know how he got to where he is. I guess I'll just pull up on the grass. Interesting. Alright, I'm gonna go say hi to Bill. So cool. I'm not exactly sure how this happened. I was going to pull into this spot right next to Bill, but apparently this is soft ground, and where he is, it's nice and solid, so yeah, I'm stuck. So Bill's going to hook up a tow strap and pull me out, because he's cool like that. He's going to pull me over there. What a good guy. He said I didn't even think about it because I saw him parked over here, so I said, alrighty then. Oops. Poor Bill. Alright, let's see if this works. So you just gonna pull me up there and then?
I think it's soft. I
think it's harder.
Here, see?
Yeah, it is.
And I'm gonna try to get as far back as I can.
He's got a 4-wheel drive, so this shouldn't be a problem. In drive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Start it up and put it in drive.
Alrighty.
And just feather the foot feet a little as I try to pull you out.
Okay. As he tries. Oh, this is gonna work. Yeah, this will work.
Just another day of my life.
Is it?
This kind of stuff happens all the time.
Well, thank you.
For me, anyway.
Yeah, this is the first time on this trip anyway I've gotten stuck, so thank you.
Well, you got stuck in the right place.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I picked up a little mud. Might have been a little soft. Hey, gads. After my little fun in the mud, I got all settled, and Bill and I enjoyed a lovely evening sitting under this little pavilion. The breeze was blowing pretty good though, so I just didn't get much audio, but it was very cool. Every now and then we could hear clip clop, clip clop, clip clop, and here would come a little horse and buggy. It was awesome. So Bill had been cooking all day in his camp-made Dutch oven, and he made me one of the most delicious meals I have ever had. And I'm not even kidding. He made a roast, and the recipe is called Mississippi Mud. You'll have to go over to his channel to get the recipe for this. But let's just say, yeah, we feasted. Oh my goodness, it was so good. Bill is serving up the goodness.
Oh, yeah, I should have turned my camera on, shouldn't
Yeah.
I? Look at the goodness, will
That.
you? Oh, that looks so good.
That's what we're talking about. Thank you so much, Bill. So after dinner, Bill and I just totally enjoyed our evening. We just hung out. Like I said, it was a lovely breeze, a lovely evening, and it was just so much fun watching the Amish folks come and go and do their thing. It's just so different than where I come from in Texas. You just don't see anything like this. So I was soaking it up and enjoying every minute of it. I have decided that if I ever can, I would love to come spend weeks, if not months, in this area around Sugarcreek, Ohio. Fabulous. Everybody was just really friendly. It just had a good vibe to it, if you know what I mean. I'm so glad I got to visit. And thank you, Bill. Bill Goudy was an awesome host. So at this little campground, it's $20 a night to stay there, and you have to go down to City Hall to pay to stay. And Bill was so gracious. He went down and got my site for me and went ahead and paid for me in advance. Just what a nice guy. I can't thank him enough. So if you don't know who Bill Goudy is, pop on over to his channel and give him a look. I think you'll be glad you did. Super great guy. Bill, thanks so much for having me here. I had a blast.
It was fun.
It
That
was
Mississippi
very
mud is so easy and it tastes so good. I'm going to do that again.
I don't blame you.
That's
I'm
the
gonna
first
do it
time
too.
I ever did it in the Dutch oven.
Uh-huh.
You know, I did it in that slow cooker. Oh man.
Yeah, it's awesome.
That's easy.
Yeah.
You have safe travels, and I want you to stay lost, my friend. And friends.
Thanks, Bill. Well, I really want to thank Bill Goudy for bringing me here to Sugarcreek, Ohio. I never would have found this place without him. What a neat town.
Turn left onto Ohio 93 South, Mill Street Southwest.